Welcome to Kansas. So far, flying in, I will say Kansas is pretty much exactly what I expected to be. Flat. Lots of, I don't know about cornfields, but lots of fields. So trips like this are kind of pros and cons. I'm gonna see a lot of cool golf courses out here hosting an 80 club event, my golf membership site. Not really gonna see anything else. Not gonna see the town of Wichita or anything other than this Hampton Inn behind me. So one of the things I've always said in my travels is that you gotta go high end or low end. There's no stories in the middle ground. So if you stay in a super fancy 5-star hotel, you're gonna have a good story to tell. If you stay in a 1-star crappy bungalow on a beach in Thailand, good story to tell. But it's those 2.5-star Hampton Inns that you don't really have much of a story to tell. And yet here I am for the first time ever, staying at a Hampton Inn. But alright, in today's video, we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna talk about something kind of fun because I know a lot of you wonder about things like this, and that's how much money to make on ads on YouTube. If you have around 10,000 subscribers, like I do, a little bit more than that, how much money do I actually make on ads? Is it enough to support myself? Is it enough to quit my job? Is it enough to even buy a round of beers for my friends on a Friday night? Let's go find out. The answer, well, it might surprise you. All right, welcome back to the luxurious Hampton Inn, Wichita Airport, where today we're talking about how much money can you actually make via ads if you've got 10,000 YouTube subscribers. Now, before I reveal my numbers, I want to, talk about a couple caveats and just get a couple things out there. One, I didn't turn on ads on my channel until relatively recently, and I didn't turn them on for every single video. I've only been using ads on my most recent videos. So what you're going to see in these numbers is not necessarily the videos that went viral or the ones that have, tens of thousands of views. You're going to see how much I'm making from my current videos posting twice a week over the course of the past couple of months. So keep in mind, these numbers might be a little bit lower than what they would be were I to turn ads on all of my videos. And that brings up the question, should you turn on ads on your videos? Now, I've talked to a number of YouTube experts and they all pretty much tell me, turn on ads. There's no reason not to. For a long time, I was hesitant because I didn't want it to get in the way of, the user experience. The ad revenue was just kind of a side thing for me. It was much less important than it was to give my users a good experience. But they kind of reminded me that, one, everybody's used to ads on YouTube. They're used to just hitting skip. It really isn't that big of a deal. And two, when you think about it, and there's no proof to this. This is just kind of conjecture. YouTube's trying to make money. And how do they make money? They make money via ads. So logically, it kind of makes sense that they'd want to promote the videos that have ads. Now, they certainly don't admit to doing this. I'm not saying this is how they do this. I'm just saying logically, in my head, I wouldn't expect ads to hurt your search rankings, because that's what I was afraid of. I was afraid I was having these videos that would rank, that were actually doing pretty well. I'd turn on ads, all of a sudden they'd fall off the face of the earth. But really, those videos and those ads are helping YouTube, so there's no reason they'd want to demote them, right? Right, we'll go with that. Another thing that's also worth pointing out is I am in the how to build a business online space. So depending on your industry, your ad rates might be much higher, much lower. So don't take this as a hard and fast rule. If you have 10,000 subscribers, this is how much you're gonna make. It can vary wildly. Every channel's different, every brand is different, and I would guess I'm probably on the low end of this because I have been so conservative with what ads I've turned on, when I've turned them on, and why. So another thing that I think you're gonna find after seeing these numbers is that building a business around YouTube, becoming a YouTuber, where that is your entire business, that's not an easy thing to do. And I'm fortunate in the sense that I've already got a business. I've got a blog, I've got an email list, I've got products that sell. So YouTube is just, a funnel. It's just driving traffic to those other things where I make the bulk of my money. But if you're someone who's just getting started out and you're like, you know what, I'm gonna start putting out videos, I'm gonna make millions of dollars running ads on my YouTube channel, well, you might be in for a little bit of a rude awakening because, at least based on the numbers I've seen, that's a tough game. And until you're getting hundreds of thousands, millions of subscribers, making a really good living at YouTube, it's tough. It's really tough. So let me show you what I mean, and then you can be the judge for yourself. So let's hop into the computer here. So for the last 28 days, as YouTube shows, I have an estimated revenue of $114.69. That's based off 5,100 monetized playbacks with the playback CPM. So CPM is cost per mil. So it's basically what you can expect to make per 1,000 views. And that obviously that number varies wildly based on video, content, things like that. So it's saying playback-based CPM, $40.46. If you come down here, you can see my monthly revenue. Like I said, I didn't really start turning on ads on my new videos until the end of August. So you'll see in September, made 150 bucks. October, I'm at 105. That's because I did have one video in September that did really, really well. By relative standards, I mean, I think it's up to like 3,600 views. So in my world, for a relatively new video, that's doing pretty good. You know, I've got videos that have tens of thousands of views, but usually that doesn't kick in till a little while longer. So you can see my top earning videos, freelance writing job boards, $33.36. Why you should start freelance writing. This one just came out a few days ago. That's at 15 bucks. Freelance writing mistakes, 14 bucks. So over time, if those start ranking in YouTube search, they'll start making me more money, but right off the bat, peanuts. I mean, it's not that much money. You know, we can go in, you know, let's see if we can get a little bit more information here. So yeah, so here we go. You can see in October, ongoing, $105. Estimated monetized playbacks, 4,600. So I had more monetized playbacks in September with 7,200. You know, total revenue for the year, $413.43. So I've got 14,000 subscribers. I've also got an email list that I can push out some of my videos to. And, you know, I'm making about $3 a day, $5 a day. I don't know, not a whole lot of money. Granted, I have not optimized for ads. I've literally just turned them on my new videos, forgotten about them. That's it. Like I said, I don't necessarily think it's the best way to make money if you have a YouTube channel when you're starting out. I think you're better off creating a membership community, creating an information product, creating an affiliate page, and driving people to those pages, because you're going to make a lot more than you're going to make with ads when you're first starting out. Use the ad revenue as just kind of like bonus fun money. You know, that's kind of how I'm treating it. But I'm hopeful that as I, you know, maybe turn on some of the ads in some of my older videos that have done a little bit better, that those numbers are going to go up. I think this is very much on the low end of what you can expect to make with 10,000, 15,000 subscribers. Very much on the low end, especially if you're putting out regular content every week. You know, I would guess that you could probably get double that pretty easily. You know, $300 to $500 a month if you're really someone who's got a lot of engagement, you're getting a lot of views on your videos. I'm in this kind of weird space where some of my videos do really well, some of them they don't. Some of them might have 100 or 200 views, but I've seen people with 15,000 subscribers that are getting 1,000 to 2,000 views on every video. So if that's you, you're gonna be making a lot more money. Still not stratospheric money, but certainly more than I am. But I just wanted to, you know, shed the light, because I've gotten a few emails from people that are saying, you know, I'm thinking I want to start a YouTube channel. I think that's going to be my business. And that can be a great brand. That can be a great platform for building a business. But it's going to be a long time if you're just getting going before your ad revenue is actually making you enough money to support yourself. So that's why I think freelancing is such a valuable tool. That's why I think affiliate marketing and things like that can be great. Ads, it's a tough game. Sorry, one sec. Soak in this beautiful Hampton Inn Wichita Airport coffee. Oh, that's the good stuff right there. Yeah, that's what's up. So let's sum this up. Should you run ads on your YouTube channel? I don't see any reason not to. Especially if you're just getting going. Once you can get to that point where you're able to monetize your YouTube channel, there isn't much downside. People are expecting the ads. It doesn't hurt YouTube to run them, and it probably benefits them. Your users are used to seeing ads, so there really isn't a downside. The only downside is if your expectations are you're gonna make a ton of money really quickly, because you're probably not. Hey, maybe you'll get lucky, you get a few viral videos that just take off and get 1 million views. You'll make some money from that. You'll probably make a couple $1,000s from that. But that's not been my experience. But that could just be because I don't do funny cat videos or prank videos or other things that tend to go viral. I make videos about freelance writing and affiliate marketing and lifestyle businesses from the Hampton Inn and the Wichita Airport, which, let's face it, not that sexy. So anyway, we do have videos every Monday and Thursday that help you build a business you can run from anywhere in the world. Yes, even the Hampton Inn in Wichita. And if you're looking to do more of the stuff you love in life, then that's what we are here to help you do. Make sure to go to locationrebel.com/hi. You can get our 6-day starter guide where we walk you through all the steps you're gonna need to build a business that allows you to do more of the stuff you love, quit your job, spend more time with your friends and family, and work from anywhere you want. So if that sounds interesting, hit subscribe, go sign up for that free course, and we'll see you from someplace that's not this next time. All right, take it easy.